Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Usmina Wijaya. I come from Wijaya Putra University. On this occasion, I will present an article with the title Philosophical Value of Pancasila as the basis for intellectual property right regulation in Indonesia. This article was created by Andi Usmina Wijaya and Sekaring Ayumeida Kusnadi. For the first time, I will explain the background of this article. Basically, IPR is divided into two main magnitudes: copyright and industrial property right. Copyright consists of copyright and neighboring right. Industrial property right consists of patents, brands, geographic indication, trade secret, industrial designs, integrated circuit layout designs, and plant variety protection. IPR is an individualistic regime to monopolize a technology and to protect the investment. Those things are completely different from the characteristic of Indonesia. IPR as a right is identical with commercialization of intellectual work. Regulation of IPR are sourced from the concept of individualistic and capitalist concept. The individualistic system does not allow the development of community right recognition collectively. Furthermore, the system developed in Western countries do not protect the right of local communities over their intellectual property, which are generally not owned individually, including in Indonesia. Based on background above, the problem statement which can be discussed is Pancasila philosophical values as the regulation basis of intellectual property right in Indonesia. Next, in the discussion of this article begin with the philosophical value of IPR. The philosophical value of IPR, there are two philosophers of IPR protection: John Locke and Friedrich Hegel. The IPR concept of this philosopher comes from the natural theory law with source from morality, what is a good and what is a bad. John Locke taught the concept property which every person naturally has the right to himself and therefore the results of his work because he has made sacrifice in the form of discovering and adding personality to something. However, John Locke's view is different from Friedrich Hegel. Hegel elaborated the concept of right, ethic, and state. He said humans have desire or will to respond to what they have obtained based on their personal wit and manifest in the form of the creative work, which then becomes the property of the human concern. Next, I will explain about Pancasila as regulation basis of IPR. Pancasila is state fundamental norm and the main value of the law formation in the hierarchy of law in Indonesia. Pancasila has two main value of those five value: religiosity value and communality value. The combination of communality and religious value from a philosophy that is known as Pancasila philosophy. The communal value of Indonesia has particular uniqueness, diversity, and togetherness. Togetherness becomes the dynamic of its communal work between individual and group. Pancasila in the preamble of Constitution is a guiding value in Indonesia, which consists soul of Indonesian nation as the main thought and legal ideas. This value intend and aim to implement happiness, prosperity, and peace independence in Indonesia society as the order of constitutional. Pancasila is an open ideology. It means that the fundamental value has been set already, but the application can be developed creatively according to the dynamic needs of Indonesian society development. Pancasila as an open ideology is expected to be opened to free market competition as the main object of agreement and establishing the World Trade Organization. Pancasila recognizes the property right as part of legal idea of the Republic of Indonesia. To achieve national goal is creating public welfare. IPR is recognized by Indonesian based on Pancasila, then it cannot be taken arbitrarily. However, every right granting has a specific purpose. Therefore, IPR is exclusive right of legal monopoly. The use of it also limited. It has a social function in Indonesian concept. Lastly, the conclusion of this article is: once the communal religious value is diversity and is derivative for legal of Pancasila philosophy as state fundamental norm in the hierarchy of Indonesian law. Pancasila is an open ideology that can be a regulation basis of intellectual property right in Indonesia by implementation in the social function. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.